case you didn't notice it on your calendar, today is Flag Day. So to celebrate, besides proudly displaying it and wearing something red, white, and blue, we created a patriotic homemade ice cream that's also worth adopting. All you have to do is mix together a can of sweetened condensed milk, a splash of vanilla, and a couple of drops of red food coloring. To that, we stir in a package of frozen strawberries that we thawed and mashed. Now, we fold in some freshly whipped heavy cream. The key here is to do it gently so the whipped cream doesn't break down. Then we spoon this into an airtight container and into the freezer it goes to firm up. What we end up with is the best strawberry ice cream you've ever tasted. You could even top this off with a few blueberries and a mini American flag, and you've got a dessert that is Flag Day worthy. To get the recipe, go online and type in Strawberry Patch Ice Cream. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our free e-newsletter so you can get all of our TV recipes delivered daily to your inbox. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a patriotic way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."